Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open Hypershade. So as example, I will insert the cube object, and if you want to open the Hypershade, you can right click, hold, and then go to assign new material. You can see we have these Hypershade tools you can release in this point. So be sure for the assign new material dialog box. Like you can go to shader here, and I will use I standard surface. So you can see we have these options to change the texture. You can click here, and I will use the file. Now searching for your texture. I will use the example image. Click open, and then you can view in this textured objects. So that's it. To open the hyperset, you can right click, go to the science material, and then release in Hypersets. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open Hyperset.